Yoga Go app honest review. After 18 days of using it, is it worth it? I'm going to tell you what's it really like using the yoga app after 18 days. First off, it's beginner friendly. The workouts are short, guided, and mostly low impact, which makes it perfect if you're new to yoga or just easing back into fitness. The daily routines are tailored based on your goals, like weight loss, flexibility, or stress reliever. But they start to feel repetitive around week or two. Visually, the app's clean and calming, but it pushes upsells a lot, and some features are locked behind the paywall even after you subscribe. After 18 days, I'd say it's helpful if you want structure and don't like going to a gym, but don't expect anything advanced. It's good for forming a habit, but probably not for hardcore yogis.